Dear students, hearty welcome to this new academic year 2021 and 22. And this is your moral science class of class 2. Students, this is your moral science book number 2 for class 2. Abiding Values. What is the moral science book name? Abiding Values, book number 2. Lesson number 1. The topic of the lesson is Thank You God. What is? Thank you God. Ishwar ko dhanyavad. So we should begin every day with a prayer to God. God is our creator. God only created us. And everything God only created. This world and all the things in the world, me and you, everything God's blessing and creation. Okay, so we should begin every day with a prayer to God. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करके हम हर एक दिन शुरू करना है. हर एक दिन की शुरुआत में प्रार्थना करते हुए हम दिन शुरू करना. ओके, थैंक यू गॉड फॉर व्हाट? फॉर ऑल दैट वी हैव. व्हाट ऑल द थिंग्स वी हैव, हमें क्या क्या है उसके लिए ईश्वर को धन्यवाद बोलना. जो जो हमें है वो सब ईश्वर की दान है, ईश्वर की कृपा है. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर ऑल दैट वी हैव. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर दिस प्रेशियस लाइफ. दिस इज द माई लाइफ इज प्रेशियस. योर लाइफ इज प्रेशियस. इट्स गॉड्स गिफ्ट. सो थैंक यू गॉड फॉर दिस प्रेशियस लाइफ. महत्वपूर्ण जीवन के लिए. जीवन बहुत सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है, सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट है गॉड की हमारा जीवन. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स. योर पेरेंट्स, दैट्स गॉड्स गिफ्ट ओनली. एंड टीचर्स, दैट इज योर गिफ्ट फ्रॉम द गॉड. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर द वेदर एंड सीजन्स. We are getting weather, suitable weather and seasons. Winter season, summer season or weather. Everything we are getting from God. For everything we have to give thanks to God. Because these children are praying to God. They are saying thank you. Thank you God for air and water. जो एयर है ना, वायु और वाटर, पानी, सब कुछ के लिए ईश्वर को धन्यवाद बोलना. थैंक यू गॉड फॉर द ब्यूटिफुल क्रिएशन. दिस क्रिएशन हु डिड? गॉड ओनली. गॉड क्रिएटेड एवरीथिंग. ईश्वर ने सब कुछ बनाया है. एंड ही टोल्ड आफ्टर द क्रिएशन एवरीथिंग इज गुड. एवरीथिंग इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड गुड बिकॉज इट इज गॉड ओनली क्रिएटेड. दैट्स वे इट्स ऑल गॉड्स क्रिएशन. Children, now we are seeing here some pictures. See the following pictures. And you have to tick the creation of God. Here, which pictures are, God's creation, you have to put tick. See, this is a tree. This is a plant. Is it God's creation? Yes. Only God can create this. So, tick. All the living things are God's creation only. Okay. Now this cloud, say from cloud rain is coming. It's whose creation? God's creation only. No man can make this. Okay. It's God's creation. Here you see moon. Who created moon? God only can create. No man can create moon and stars. It's God's creation. So put tick. Here, specs, Ainak, whose creation? This is man-made only. Here no need of putting tick. Then car, it's God's, whose creation? It's people creation, men's creation only. Man-made thing only. Okay. Here butterfly, God's creation. Only God can make butterfly. A living thing A living butterfly only God can create. Creation. God can create. Nobody else. We can make a picture of butterflies, but no. Living butterfly we can't make. So here plan, tick. Cloud, tick. Moon and star, tick. Specs, no. Car, no. Butterfly, man-made only. No, God's creation only. See, write down 5 things which you have and you wish to thank God for them. Write down 5 things which you have and you wish to thank God for them. So what are the things you have? Thank you God for, you can write for your life. Thank you God for this precious gift, precious life. Precious life. Thank you God for this precious life. You can say thank you to God for your life. Okay, this is our precious gift from God, our life. Life is the precious gift of God. Thank you God for parents. That's God's creation only. God's gift only. Thank you God for parents. Thank you God for teachers. Teachers also God's gift. Thank you God for air and water. We are getting, we have air and water, oxygen. We get oxygen, air from. And water. We are getting water. That and all God's gift. God's gift only. Thank you God for air and water. Thank you God for the beautiful creation. Thank you God for the beautiful creation. God की beautiful creation के लिए धन्यवाद. Here you see fill in the blanks. Some words are given with the picture. From the picture you can understand. But some letters are missing there. Okay, some letters are missing there. Sister is written for you. What is this, children? This is a mountain. This is a mountain. What is the spelling of mountain? M-U-N-N. So what are the missing letters? Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. A-I-N. Mountain. Then what is this, children? Water. This is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Then next one, parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. Next one, rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Then what is the next one? S-N. Sun. Sun. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Here you have seen, this is a plant. It is God creation. Here rain. From cloud rain is coming. See rain. That also God's creation. Moon and stars. God's creation only. Specks. It is not God creation. It's man-made. Car. Man-made. Butterfly. God's creation. Okay. So children, do it today itself, this work. Okay. Mountain, water, parents, rain, sun, trees. Here you can see, make posters, prepare speeches for morning assembly on save trees, save earth, to spread awareness about nature and its conservation. Collect leaves and flowers fallen from the trees in your school garden and put them in a compost pit. Your school gardener can use it as manure. Plant saplings on special days like sports day, school's annual day, one Mahotsav day, etc. This you can do later, okay? Now offline class will come, then sis will explain to you, okay? Not now, okay? You can plant saplings and all. That's good, okay? And you can collect these leaves and flowers in a pit and you can make a compost, okay? Okay, children. So do it today itself. Do this work today itself. Once again, I remind you, we should begin every day with a prayer to God. We should begin every day with a prayer to God. And we have to thank God for everything. Everything God's gift only. Our life, our parents, teachers, weather, seasons, air, water, everything God's creation. So let us be thankful to God. Be good children. Thank God for everything. Study well. Okay children. Today itself you have to learn this lesson. Okay children. Goodbye. Let us see the next video. Goodbye.